not install Jio Air Fiber if you live in an area like mine? It has been almost 90 days since we installed Jio Air Fiber in our house. Watch this till the end because this video can save your money, time and mental peace. Today I will tell you exactly what problems we faced, what the real connection status is, how much downtime happens, how the TV performs, how the recharge process works, and what happens if you stop recharging. Because this is a postpaid connection and bills keep getting generated. So watch this video till the end. Now listen carefully. Those who watched my first Jio Air Fiber installation video already know that there was a lot of drama during installation. Somehow they installed it and even now things are running in the same way. Installation and service in our area are very bad. First time they came immediately and collected the money without any delay. Then one day passed, no one came. Second day, still no one came. We called them, they said, "Sir, we will come tomorrow." Tomorrow came, still no one arrived. 5 days passed. After a lot of frustration and angry arguments, they finally came and installed it. Support? Just forget it. They have a serious shortage of manpower. Now comes the first major problem. Look at this adapter. One wire goes into the router and the other wire goes directly into the antenna. Sometimes the antenna side wire does not receive power, so the antenna does not turn on and the light does not glow. We have a single connection from the antenna, so the antenna gets its power only through this cable. We found our own solution. We often have to unplug and replug this wire almost every time the power goes out. Now everyone in the house knows how to fix it. Now you may ask why we didn't get it properly repaired. First, who will waste their time arguing and running behind them? Second, this is not an adapter problem. This is a wire pin problem. Water had entered the upper wire, it shorted and the pin has turned black in color. Even if they come, they will only change the adapter and leave. The problem will return. It might even get worse. My time and my mental peace will be wasted. So we left it as it is. This is the first problem. Now let's talk about downtime. We never faced a complete connection down, not even once. But speed fluctuation is clearly visible, especially during upload. But honestly, I personally have not faced any major speed or connection issues. TV works perfectly in our house. Live channels runs absolutely fine. There are many channels and many HD channels as well. So I am quite satisfied with the TV service. The Wi-Fi range is also very good. It easily covers our 2 BHK flat. Even the signal reaches downstairs. Now let's talk about recharge. For the first 2 months, we paid 600 rupees for 30 Mbps. After that, we got an offer 700 rupees for 2 months, same plan which is currently running. Otherwise, the actual pack price is 599 rupees plus GST. This is a postpaid connection, so bills are generated. Looking at the bills, you might get confused, but you only need to recharge according to your selected pack. Now this is important. After recharging, it takes a long time for update to reflect. So always try to recharge in the morning. If you recharge in the afternoon or evening, the update happens the next day and only then the connection becomes active. Now what if you completely stop recharging? The connection will be disconnected. After a few days, they will come to your house and take back all the devices. The monthly data cap is 1000 GB. Our usage is low, so it works fine for us. The TV runs all the day without any issue. But if your house has many users, 1000 GB will be very less. And after 1000 GB is exhausted, the extra data packs are expensive and GST is charged separately on the top of that. Now how to apply for the connection? You can directly apply through the Jio website or app. Verify your phone number, fill in your address and after a few days you will receive a call. Important thing? Do not make online payment while applying. Make the payment only when they come to your house. Otherwise, there is no guarantee of when they will arrive. I don't know how the installation service is in your area, but in my area, it is very bad. In the Kolkata side, they take the money, a week passes and still they don't come to install. Now tell me, how is Jio Air Fiber service in your area? Now my final verdict. If your phone already provides good unlimited 5G speed, then honestly there is no need to take Jio Air Fiber connection. Just do a 250 to 300 rupees cable TV recharge and save around 400 400 rupees. Also, if Jio Fiber cable is available in your area, then go for Jio Fiber. Jio Fiber is far better than Jio Air Fiber. If you live in a village or remote area where network is poor and no cable internet operator is available, then Jio Air Fiber is the best option. And if you live in a high-rise building, you can also get Jio Air Fiber Plus, which offers better network stability and higher speed recharge options. Apart from installation and network stability, I have not faced any other major problem till now. You can also convert your Jio set-top box into a Jio Cloud PC, which turns your TV into a personal computer. We are gonna make a video on that. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.